All right, let's take a look at finding the composition of functions using a table of values. So taking a look at this table, this first column is your input. This second column is your output for your function f of x. And this third column is your output for the function g of x. So for instance, if I had to write an ordered pair for g of x, I could say when you plug in 1 for x right here, you get 0 for y. Whoops, erase those. Okay, so for this first part, f of g of 1, how do I figure out this composition? Let's take a look at what's inside the parentheses because that's what you do first. G of 1 is saying when x is 1, what's your output? So taking a look, when my input is 1 or when my x is 1, my output is 0. So let's rewrite this now. This is really just f of 0. So again, that is saying when my input is 0, when I plug in 0 for x, what do I get? So if I plug in 0 for x, I get 0. So that is my final composition. Let's take a look at the second part. So I have g of f of 0. We start with the inside first. F of 0 is saying if I plug in 0 for x, what is my output? So if I plug in 0 for x, my output is 0. So let's rewrite this original composition so it looks easier. So this is just g of 0. So that is saying if I plug in 0 for x, what do I get as my output? I get -1.